Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aditya, and in this video we'll be starting conditional statements, or these are also called as control statements. These are common in any programming language. They are always there in most of the programming languages. So what is this conditional statement? As per the name, this tells us that a conditional statement is nothing but it depends on a condition, a particular condition. To understand this, let's have a small example. Suppose I have written an exam and there's a condition like, if my percentage is greater than 35%, then I'm gonna pass, else I'm gonna fail. So this is an example of how we use conditional statements in real life. This can also be implemented in the programming. So same like that, we can just write that and it will give us the output as passed, you're passed, else you're failed. And there's even another statement called as elif, which is used to give more and more conditions. Suppose you want to say that below 50% and above 35% you must write like you must improve your skills, and if 50 to 80% good job, keep going on. Like that, when you want to have more and more conditions, that time you use elif. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead on the screen and check out how do we do that. So hey guys, right now we are on the screen. So for understanding this, let's use the same example which I explained. So first we'll create variables called, first we'll keep the limit, minimum limit. So we'll write minimum equals 35. So we'll use integer data type and we'll keep minimum is equal to 35, and then we'll take input, my percentage as input. So my percent equals int, so we'll be converting it to int, and here we'll keep input. So here input, and here we'll write enter your marks. So this will take the input and store it in my percent. Now if you run this program, it just won't do anything, it will just exit the program after taking input. We want to show the result, right? So for that we should use if else, as I have told. So we'll use first if else and then we'll go to elif. So we'll use this code snippet which Visual Studio gives us. So if else, so there's a similar code snippet. I can just write the condition first. As you can see, it is showing condition. Now the condition is that my percent should be greater than minimum. So that is one condition, and then we must print passed. So this will print passed if my percentage is greater than 35%. So now I'll just write another in the else block, not another condition. So in the else block we'll write failed, failed, failed. So if my percentage is greater than 35, it's gonna print passed, else it's gonna print failed. So let's run this program. I'll just open terminal, and here I'll just write cls and clear everything before, and write python main.py. So here it's asking for my marks. We'll write 20, failed, and I'll just get it more up here. So here we'll write 40 and it should give us passed. So that's great. So let me just clear the screen. Yeah, so we have used if else to check if I passed or failed. Now let us give kind of a comments, means you must improve more, or like that, some kind of things to add to show how is its performance. For that we'll use if, elif and else. So here we'll just use if first, and here we'll give expression, as you can see. Now inside that we'll just write the same one, minimum, my percent is greater than minimum, and print passed. So this is one condition. Now to add another condition, we'll just use elif. So as you can see here, we got elif, and we even have code snippets. So it's same as if, the code snippet. I'll just keep these brackets so that it is very similar to other programming languages. I just use it so that I don't get confused with the Python syntax. So I just kept the brackets, and here we'll write another condition. If my percent is greater than suppose 50, and then we'll write So tab and print will write good, keep working hard. So now this is another condition, and here we'll write else and keep colon and print failed. So we have written extra condition, one extra condition, and notice the syntax. When we are writing if else condition, if you're coming from another programming language, most of the if else conditions we keep it in curly braces, but in Python, as it is like indent specific, we use colons and we use these indents. Actually here it is giving us 2 indents, and we can even have 4 indents, but you must continue that. If you're using 3 indents, you must continue using 3 indents continuously. You must not change it. I'm using 2 indents right now, so I'll be using 2 indents continuously. So as you can see, 2 indents, and keep a colon. Whenever you write if else elif condition, keep a colon. Now let's run this program and check it. So python main.py. So my percentage, if I keep 60, so still it is showing passed. So what is happening over here? The thing is that when one condition here it is being true, it is showing that print passed. So it is not coming to elif part and else part. So for that we must use AND operators. This is actually used for suppose this condition becomes failed. So suppose my percentage is not greater than. So let me just change it to that lesser than, and this will go false, and here we'll check this and let us see if that runs. So python main.py and run this program. So as you can see, as the first condition is being false, then only it's coming to the elif part. Suppose we want to check both the conditions at the same time, not like one condition should be true and another condition should be false. That time we use logical operators. We'll come to that in after for loops or maybe in the next video. So guys, that was for this video. I hope you like this. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates from my channel.